Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we will discuss combining like terms. Like terms have the same variable raised to the same power. Okay, we've got a couple of examples here. Our first example is an expression, x squared minus 4x plus 3x squared plus 7 plus 10x. Okay, I'm going to use different shapes and I'm going to either circle or box or put a triangle around things that have the same variable. So first, I'm going to circle the x squareds. So we have 1x squared right here. If the variable does not have a coefficient, then it is 1. There's an invisible 1 in front of that x squared. Okay, we have another term. It's positive 3x squared. This plus sign, goes with the term immediately after. So we have 1x squared plus 3x squared. All right, I look, there's no more x squareds. So now I want to put a box around the x values, the x terms. We have a negative 4x right here. And let's look for another x term. We have positive 10x right here. Okay, that's the end of the x's. And now I'm going to put a triangle around the constants. Constants are terms that do not have a variable. So this is a constant plus 7 right here. Okay, we're going to rearrange these so that the like terms are by each other. So we have x squared. I'm going to move that plus 3x squared it is right here. And then we're going to have a minus 4x and a plus 10x. I'm just rearranging because you can rearrange. It's the commutative property. You can move these around as long as you keep the same signs with them. And then we have plus 7. Okay, now I can combine my like terms. So this equals 1x squared plus 3x squared is 4x squared. We can combine them now. And then negative 4x plus 10x is positive 6x. And then that positive 7, we keep it by itself. We can't combine it with anything. So our original expression simplifies. When we combine the like terms, it simplifies to 4x squared plus 6x plus 7. Okay, another example. We have 5y minus 2x plus y plus 8 plus 7x. Okay, I'm going to put a circle around the y terms. We have a positive 5y and we have a positive 1y. Now a box around the x terms. We have a negative 2x and a positive 7x. And then a triangle around the constants. We have a constant of plus 8. A constant does not have a variable attached to it. Okay, now I'm going to rearrange and put the circles together and the squares together. We have 5y plus y, that's 1y, minus 2x plus 7x, and plus 8. This equals, now we combine our like terms, 5y plus 1y is 6y, minus 2x plus 7x is positive 5x, plus 8. Often, in mathematics, we write the variables in alphabetical order. That's not necessary, but it is considered good form. So I'm going to switch and put the 5x plus 6y plus 8. It is not incorrect the other way with the y's first, but it looks better to have the variables listed alphabetically. So remember, when you're combining like terms have the exact same variable. They can be one letter to a certain power, and all the letters with that power, all that letter, that variable with that power can be combined together. Also, When you're combining like terms, you have to keep the sign in front of the term that immediately follows it. So we have negative 4x in the first example, and we have a negative 2x in the second example. We can't change that negative 2x from negative to positive. So make sure you watch your signs when you are combining like terms. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.